Today I want to show you some of the silver rings with rose quartz gemstone that I have in my jewelry collection. Let's see them in details. I am Maral and here is my jewelry land where I collected so many different jewelry in 7 years from countries I've traveled. I don't have so many rose quartz ring in my collection, but I have few pieces. These two are kind of similar with the bigger stones. As you see, the shape of the stone is oval shape and the frame is different. These are bigger sizes, it's big for me, and only one size. If you like it, comment below I like it and I can send you more details, and some of them are already on my website. I can share with you the link. Then we have this one. This is very nice bohemian style, made in Tibet. So if you're a rose quartz fan, this is made for you. I love this one. The frame is so simple and the stone is quite big, and this is how it looks on your finger. And these two minimal design, these are made in Denmark from a Danish designer, and yeah, the oval shape, and this is very delicate and minimal for you who like minimal style. How did you like the rose quartz pink color gemstone silver rings? Comment below. So many pink heart for me if you love pink and rose quartz. So much love is always here, and till next time, see you soon. Bye.